In this video, you will learn how to round the numbers or values in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here this column shows the numbers and values, and I have rounded these numbers or values in a variety of format using round function of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel round these numbers or values on the basis of mathematical rule. It means if the value is less than 5, then Microsoft Excel will round down this number, and if the value is 5 or more, then Microsoft Excel will round up the number. Currently, you can see here I want to round these numbers as a whole number. In this case, the next value is 1, which is less than 5. So Microsoft Excel has round down this number. In this case, the next value is more than 5. So Microsoft Excel has round up this number. So you will learn how to round these numbers in the form of whole number up to 1 decimal place, up to 2 decimal place, and in 10 and 100. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the result. I want to display the result here. Put equal sign. Write round. Round option appeared here. Double click on it. Now, firstly select the number, the cell which contain number. Put comma sign. Now select the values. This is the value which shows how many decimal places should be in result. In this case, I want to round this number as a whole number, so I will write 0 because I don't want any decimal place. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has round this number as a whole number. Select this one. Place your cursor at the corner of this cell. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this function on remaining rows. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has round all these numbers using round function. Now I want to round these numbers up to 1 decimal place. Put equal sign. Again write round. Double click on it. Select the number. Put comma sign. And select the values. In this case, I want to round this number up to 1 decimal place, so I will write 1. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has round these numbers up to 1 decimal place. Similarly, you can round these number up to 2 decimal place. Select this one. Put equal sign. Write round. Double click on it. Select the number, comma sign, and select the value. In this case, I want to round these values up to 2 decimal place. After that, close the bracket and hit enter key. If you want to apply this formula on remaining rows, simply select this one. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this formula on remaining rows. Now you will learn how to round these numbers up to 10 and 100. In this case, we will move left from decimal place, so I will write these values in minus. Select this one. Put equal sign. Write round. Double click on it. Select the number, comma sign. Now select the values of decimal places. In this case, we will move left from this decimal place, so I will write -1 because I want to round these values in 10. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter. Similarly, if you want to round these values up to 100, select this one, put equal sign, write round, double click on it, select the number, comma sign, and select the values. In this case, I want to round these up to 100, so I will write -2. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Now you can see here we have successfully rounded these number up to 10 and 100. So by using round function, you can easily round the number as a whole number up to 1 decimal places, 2 decimal places or more. Similarly, you can also round this number in 10 or 100. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.